I've spent the last few weeks testing dozens of AI tools that creators are using right now, and I've narrowed it down to the 5 that actually save you real time and produce results good enough to post. If you're still editing, voicing, and designing everything manually in 2026, you are working way harder than you need to, so by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which 5 tools to add to your workflow, what each one does best, and how to actually use them, not just what they are. Let's get straight into it, starting with tool number 5. Tool number 5 is ElevenLabs, and this is for voice. It's become the go-to for realistic voice cloning, multilingual dubbing, and voiceovers that don't sound robotic. The reason this matters is simple. Narration used to mean either recording yourself over and over or hiring a voice actor and waiting days for a file back. Now you just type, head into the text-to-speech workspace, paste in your script, select your cloned voice or one from the library, and hit generate. What comes back is clean, natural-sounding speech with actual inflection, not flat robotic pacing. You can also search the voice library for completely different character voices if you're building narration for a specific tone or persona. And beyond text-to-speech, there's a sound effects generator built in too. Type in something like car zooming past or rain on a window, and you'll get multiple takes to choose from in seconds. If you're producing videos, podcasts, or ads, and narration has always been your bottleneck, this tool alone will cut that time down to almost nothing. Tool number 4 is Riverside, and this is where your actual recording and editing happens. Riverside gives you a podcast studio and video editor right in your browser, but the AI layer is what makes it worth switching to. The reason this is such a big deal for creators is that it doesn't just record, it cleans up your content for you. Inside the editor, there's a remove filler words option that strips out every and automatically. There's also a find fluff feature that scans your recording and flags sections that ramble or don't add value, so you know exactly what to cut. Once you're done editing, head to the Made For You section, and it automatically generates short clips from your longer recording, ready to post straight to social. But the feature that genuinely surprised me is the correction tool. If you misspeak a word or a number, you don't need to re-record the whole segment. You select the mistake, type the correct word, and it regenerates that exact moment in your own cloned voice with your mouth movement adjusted to match. It's also got multilingual dubbing built in, so a video you record in English can come out the other side speaking a completely different language with your lips synced to it. For anyone creating long-form content and clipping it down for multiple platforms, this is the tool that turns one recording into a week of content. Tool number 3 is Adobe Firefly, and this is for design and image generation. What makes Firefly different from a lot of image tools is that you're not locked into one model. You can generate using Adobe's own Firefly models or switch over to Nano Banana Pro, Imagen, GPT Image, or a handful of others, all inside the same workspace. Here's why that matters. Different models are strong at different things, so having them all in one place means you're not jumping between 5 separate apps to get one final image. Type your prompt, describe the shot you want, and generate. But the real power move is reference images. You can upload up to 6 of your own images, a location shot, a photo of yourself, your logo, and Firefly will blend all of that context into one final image that actually includes you and your branding in it. From there, it connects straight into Photoshop, where you get object selection, generative fill, generative expand, and upscaling, all AI-driven. Need to remove someone from the background of a shot? Select and remove. Need the image bigger without losing quality? Generative expand and upscale handle that in seconds. This is genuinely the fastest thumbnail and graphic workflow I've used. Tool number 2 is VO3, and this is for AI video generation. It's currently one of the strongest tools out there for cinematic B-roll, and the reason it stands out is coherence. The motion, lighting, and camera movement actually hold together like something that was filmed, not generated. Write a detailed prompt describing the shot, the lighting, the camera movement, the mood. Something like a slow cinematic macro shot with shallow depth of field and soft lighting. Generate, and what comes back includes synced sound effects automatically, so you're not layering audio in separately afterward. Generations usually take a minute or two, but the payoff is B-roll that looks like it came from an actual production, not a text prompt. If your videos have ever felt like they're missing that cinematic layer between talking segments, this is the fastest way to add it. And tool number 1, the one I use daily, is Zapier. This isn't a content creation tool. It's the automation layer that makes every other tool on this list work without you having to touch them. The reason this is number 1 is that it doesn't just save time on individual tasks, it removes the task entirely. Inside Zapier, you can describe what you want in plain language and let the AI copilot build the automation for you. Tell it you want daily video editing news pulled and organized into a spreadsheet, and it sets up the trigger, connects the research step, and delivers it into your sheet automatically every morning. Tell it you want new comments on a specific video answered automatically, and it builds a workflow that reads the comment, generates a response, and posts it back without you opening the app. That's the shift. You're not just creating content faster, you're building systems that keep working while you're doing something else entirely. So that's the stack: ElevenLabs for voice, Riverside for recording and editing, Firefly for design, VO3 for cinematic video, and Zapier tying it all together on autopilot. With this lineup, you can build an entire content pipeline that used to take a full production team running from just your laptop. If you want to start putting this stack together, the links to everything I covered are down in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.